Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to break down the full rotate transition edit step by step using only CapCut on mobile. So this tutorial is perfect for recreating those amazing K-pop edits that's viral on TikTok. So you can just follow my steps in here to get that clean trending look today. So first you need to prepare the photos. So I'm using 2 photos as the example, but you can always use more. And first you can just do the zoom. So add 2 keyframes on the photo. For the first one, you can add zoom in. So zoom in on the second key like this. And on the second photo, add 2 keyframes but zoom in on the first one. So you'll get this zoom in and out effects on the photo. Now click on the first photo and go to the grabs options. Click on the linear and use my grabs in here. So add the beats and you can go with this. Hit on the check icon, and then on the second one use also the linear but adjust it like this. Okay, so this will be the grabs. Now add keyframes again. So I'm going to add keyframes in here right before the zoom in start, and on the second photo in here like this. And now on the last keyframe in the first photo, you can go to the rotate option. So find the transform options and hit on rotate. So hit on advance, not rotate, and click on the rotate options in here. Now rotate the image to around 40 degrees, and then go to the first keyframe on the second photo, transform advance, and here rotate to around negative 38. Okay, so it will go like this. Now in between the keyframes in here, go to grabs and add the cubic out, and on the first picture, grabs and add the cubic in. So let's preview the result first. And now you'll have that rotate transitions on the photo. So if you have more photos, you can just repeat the steps that I show you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.